Hi guys, today we are making chicken breasts with coconut milk. The ingredients in this recipe are 1 onion which is finely chopped. After that comes 2 green chilies finely chopped, coriander, salt, turmeric half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, peppercorns and cloves, that is 1 teaspoon, 2 chicken breasts, oil for frying and coconut milk. Now place green chilies and coriander, onions, cloves, peppercorns, salt, garlic and turmeric in a chopper. Put some coconut milk in it and make a fine paste. Now make some cuts in the chicken breast piece on both sides and place it in a dish. Now pour this mixture and completely coat your chicken breast pieces with it. Put this mixture in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now put some oil in the frying pan. When it's hot, put the chicken pieces in the frying pan and then fry it. Chicken is cooking, put this coconut milk into the frying pan and start boiling it. The gravy is almost done now, so I'm just waiting for the chicken to cook. The chicken is almost ready now, and so is the gravy.